Hi guys, join me. Let's make a very light lunch for my baby boy. Okay, so baby boy is sleeping, and I just want to quickly make this a very light lunch for him because by the time he wake up, he's very hungry. So I'll be going to make this lunch with this Irish potato and then the banana. It's very light lunch and it's so yummy too. So the first thing I did is to wash my Irish potato and the banana, and now I'm going to peel it, and then I will slice it into a very tiny cubes. Guys, if you're hearing some noise, please pardon me because I'm very close to my I'm inside my kitchen, and my kitchen is very close to the roadside, so the cars and the motorcycles are passing by, so you'll be hearing all those noise. Please pardon me, okay? Now, after peeling this Irish potato, I'm going to slice it into a very tiny pieces, tiny cubes, and then I will put it inside our pot, and I will go ahead and steam it for 10 to 15 minutes, okay? Please, if you're watching just to those points, please like this video. Some of you just watch my video and you go, you don't give it you don't give the thumbs up, you don't even comment, you don't even follow my page. Please now support me by liking the video, drop your comments what you think about the video, and try to follow the page. That's the only way you can support me, okay? Don't just watch and go. So this is my Irish potato. This potato I've already been steaming for 10 minutes. So now I will peel my banana and put it inside this blender can, and then I will, after peeling the banana, I will add the Irish potato together with the banana. I'm going to blend everything together with my baby formula. My chairman is awake and he doesn't want to stay with his father, so as you can see, he's on my back. This my back don dey even dey pain me because this pikin don get weight, like e get weight, and anytime I put am for my back like this, my back, I go dey feel this pain. He no dey wan dey with him papa, he just want to be, as in just want to be on my back 247. So this is it guys, I've already added the Irish potato and the banana together. So now I'm pouring my baby formula. You can add your breast milk it's optional. You can either add your breast milk or your baby formula. So add it together with the banana and the Irish potato, and then you blend everything together. This food is so yummy and healthy for your baby. Please, mothers, try to sacrifice your 1 hour to make your homemade baby food for your baby. Even though it's not every time, at least sometimes create your own baby food for your baby. Make your research and give your baby a very healthy baby food at home, okay? So I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to follow us, and drop your comment what you think, okay? So watching from YouTube, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the only way you can support me. Subscribe, turn notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So it's time for everybody to eat. Talk to you all in my next one. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.